Post-it notes are really helpful in writing your ideas down, but in a more organized way. I'm gonna teach you how to turn Post-it notes into Trello cards. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in order for us to turn Post-it notes into Trello cards, the first thing that we need to do is open the Post-it app on our phone. Post-it app is available to both Android and iOS devices. So if you don't have the app, you will have an option to download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Open it. Now here you'll be able to see the plus sign located at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on it and click the camera icon. Now here you need to make sure that all your Post-it notes are within the frame. And hold the camera button located at the bottom middle part of your screen. Hold it for at least 2 seconds. And it will capture it. Now here, as you can see, you'll be able to see the check mark here, and some of my Post-it notes are not recognized, so don't worry, you just need to tap on that and click done. And there you go, you can see the plus sign was added to the card. And do that to the other one. So if you need to adjust it, you can do that as well. Click done once you're done, and make sure that all the notes that has important information is selected. And let me just adjust this one as well. Now here you can see the line became red, right? If that's the case, then that means that you will need to adjust it to make sure that the line stays white so that it will be recognized. Now once we're done selecting, you'll have an option to name your board. As you can see at the top corner, there will be enter board name. So let's just name it reach out activity. Click done and then click on create board. Okay, as you can see, there's already a scanned copy of all the notes. Now since we already have the digital version of our Post-it notes, we can rearrange them or arrange them based on your preference. You just need to click on the title and you'll have these options above the title. So at this point, you can also change the title, but let's just keep it as reach out activity. And as you can see, there's a 3 grid options. So the first one is the original position that you took the Post-it notes, and the second one is to arrange them, and also the third one. But you can always arrange them manually. As you can see, I can move the cards. But let me just select the third option, which arrange the card in a more organized way. Now from here, once you're done organizing your digitalized Post-it cards, and once you're done with everything, naming the cards, etc., you need to click share located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and you'll have a lot of option to choose from to where you want to share your Post-its, your notes, and you can share it PDF, PNG, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. But right now we will be clicking the Trello card so that we could be able to turn it into Trello cards. Continue, and it will ask you to log in your Trello. So let me just log in my Trello account for a while. Okay, and then click on create. And this will take for a few seconds only. And then you want to open your Trello app. And there you have it. You already turned your post-it notes into Trello cards. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.